Welcome back to KnowHow. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to use color scales in Microsoft Excel to create heat index map. Whether you are working with temperature data, scales figure, or any other dataset, heat maps are a powerful tool to visualize patterns and trends. I will guide you step by step through the process, showing you how to format your data and apply color scales to easily highlight areas that need attention. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to turn any spreadsheet into visually engaging heat map index like this one. So let's get started.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So as per our previous practice, I have started this tutorial from the scratch. In this data, you can see that we have the data related to the temperature and relative humidity percentage. And with the help of this data, I want to create a heat index map. Before creating the heat index map, I would like to do some formatting changes to this sheet. So for this purpose, I'm going to select this data, and after this I will go to the Home tab. Here I will remove this border and I will select no border. After doing this, I will only select the data inside of this table. After selecting the data, I will go to the Home tab. Here I will click the conditional formatting. This time I will choose color scales, and from the color scale I can choose the color that I like or that best describe to my data. For example, if I choose this color scale, this highlights the lower number with the green color and the higher number with the red color. And after highlighting the data with this color, you can see that how easily we can find the pattern of the data. Another thing is that we only wanted to see the colors and we don't want to show the numbers in this cell. For this purpose, again I will select this data. I'll press the short key Ctrl 1. This will open the format cell option in front of me. Here I will choose the custom, and then here I will type the semicolon and then press OK. Now here in this figure we are only visualizing the trend and we are not seeing the actual data in this figure. And there you have it. You have now learned how to create a heat index map in Excel using color scale. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.